Empty. What to do? Coffee time. Word up, everybody, and welcome to Alco Baldwin Studio. I'm your host, D Costa, and this, my good fellas, is the quickest review ever, aka Hip Hop Lives. Let's go. Today, extraordinary artist, someone special with the lyrical potential like, I can tell, Big L. Ladies and gentlemen, Locksmith with his brand new album, Ali. From the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, this album is fucking outstanding. Go and support. Also, worth to check his previous releases. Every single album is something special on it, you know. Bars, bars, bars. And especially this one with Apollo Brown. No question, only 8 tracks. But every single track is absolutely fire. You know what to do. Go and support Locksmith. Cheers, guys. It's coffee time. Till next episode. Peace.